Kirsty.
We're lost.
Where are we, Kirsty?
I don't know.
We're in Hollister.
Oh, yeah.
And it's dark. Kirsty. We are making Kirsty Russell eat.
It's gonna blow my life out of me.
His snack box. James, say hello.
I just came to say.
What's going on YouTube?
We are chilling in Lush. Here you go.
Oh my god, that's so weird. Oh my god, ew.
It's shower gel.
It's lush.
What if you drop that in about
Then it like just turns into shower gel. How awesome is it?
Yeah, but what if you don't use it all?
If you don't use it all.
Just had I got to walk to the train station to hospital.
Please wait for an announcement before making your way to the express cafe in Bar, which is in town.
We're on a choo-choo train.
As you seat your passengers cards, please give some time to familiarise yourselves with the contents.
Yeah, we're going to the hospital now to pick up my sister. We've been to Cardiff and we had Percy and we went to David Drive and we bought nothing. But oh yeah, I'm back from holiday. Do you like my purse? Got it from Barcelona. Yeah, so yeah, we'll catch up with you when we're in Newport. Bye. Kirsty, what are you drinking?
What's this?
What flavour? Who have we just been with?
Paul.
Who's Paul?
Paul.
Do you fancy him?
Oh.
Do you love him? Okay, bye.